Is the climate warming? Are the weather patterns changing? Is the amount of extreme weather disasters increasing? If your answers to these questions are yes, then there is global warming. According to NASA, average temperatures have increased by 1.4 degrees Fahrenheit worldwide since 1880, much of which in the recent decades, leading to global warming. Now let me ask you all a question. Do you think global warming poses a threat to you? I can see a few heads nodding to say yes. Yes, global warming does pose a threat to you and to all the species worldwide. In this speech, I will inform you all more about global warming with the research I have done from reliable sources. This research includes the facts, the causes, and the impacts of global warming. Let me start by stating a few facts of global warming. There are many known facts of global warming, but not all are true. Some scholarly facts from reliable sources are, according to National Geographic, the rate of warming is increasing. In 2007, the United Nations Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, popularly known as IPCC, concluded that 11 of the past 12 years were amongst the dozen warmest years since 1850. The Arctic ice is rapidly disappearing, and the region may face its first completely ice-free summer by 2040, scientists predict. IPCC also reported that in the last century, seawater level rose by 7 inches after not changing noticeably in the previous 2000 years. After knowing such frightful facts of global warming, it is very important for us to know what causes global warming. One of the reports by IPCC concluded that humans have caused all or most of the current planetary warming. The greenhouse gases emitted by the humans are majorly responsible for global warming. Carbon dioxide is the most emitted greenhouse gas. It is emitted by burning fossil fuel in manufacturing industries, electricity production, and transportation vehicles. Methane is the second most emitted greenhouse gas. It has 20 times more warming effect than CO2 gas. Excessive use of chemical fertilizers on cropland leaves behind nitrous oxide in the soil, which has 300 times more warming effect than CO2 gas. These greenhouse gases react with the ozone, producing holes in the Earth's ozone layer. Due to these holes, more amount of ultraviolet radiations reach the Earth's surface, causing the temperature to rise. These holes in the ozone layer can never be filled. Hence, global warming is an irreversible phenomenon, and it is very important for us to know the impacts of global warming. The most primary impact of global warming, as the name suggests, is the rise in temperature. Other crucial impacts of global warming are rise in the seawater level worldwide. This could lead to displacement of millions of people worldwide living on the coastal lowline zone. One nation, the Maldives, are already looking for a new home. Increase in the number and severity of natural disasters such as hurricanes, cyclones, drought, flood, tsunami, and many more. Widespread extinction of coral reefs and millions of endangered species worldwide due to disappearing habitats, changing ecosystems, and acidifying oceans. Global warming is ubiquitous. Now, we are completely aware of the facts, the causes, and the impacts of global warming. So I believe it is our responsibility to stop global warming. President Barack Obama said, quote, "Threat from climate change is serious, it is urgent, and it is growing, and the United States is determined to act." Unquote. I believe we Americans can collectively take measures to prevent global warming for a better future of ourselves, our families, and our nation. United, we can make the impossible to I am possible. Thank you.